Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated IPOs in the year. SpaceX is finally going public and is already placed a buy order. Right now I'm really waiting for the market to open. So the question is this one of the lifetime opportunity or just another hype-driven trap? Before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for education purpose only and shows my personal path and what I'm doing with my own money. You are fully responsible for your own investment decision. If you somehow don't know, SpaceX is an Elon Musk company behind Falcon rocket, Starship, and Starlink satellite internet. But from the investor perspective, this is not just a space company. It's a mix of aerospace, global internet, infrastructure, government contract, and future tech. For years, retail investors couldn't buy SpaceX. Now this is changed. Let me show you exactly what I did. I'm trading to Anton. I search for the SpaceX ticker SpaceX and click buy. This is price of this IPO offer price, and we can click buy and redirect for the trading. And if you doesn't have account on trading to Anton and you want to support me, you can create this account from my referral link. I put link below this video. Like you see, here we have option to the buy. It is in Polish, so I try to translate for you. This is IPO and is coming very soon. It will be today open the market. If you want to buy a share, push button buy, this blue one. Next, you will see information how many shares do you want to buy. I have account in the euro, so I will be buying the euro. So choose how many you want to buy. Below you have sprawdź zlecenia in the Polish, so it's check the order. You should see in the next view information about your order, and if everything is correct, push button wyślij zlecenie kupna, so it's send order of the buy. Check all risk what trading to and to inform us. This should be in English new version. Read about this, and if you agree with the risk, check the checkbox and push button wyślij zlecenia kupna, so send the order of the buy. And now this is important. The order is placed, but it's waiting for the market open. That's exactly my situation right now. I'm really open the position. Now I'm waiting to see at what price it actually gets executed. And like you see, this position is open here, is on the waiting list. So why is everyone so excited? First, Starlink. This is already a real business generating billions in revenue. Second, dominance in the space industry. SpaceX is ahead of the most competitor in terms of launching and technology. Third, Elon Musk. Love him or hate him, he has a track record of building companies that disrupt the entire industry. If projects like Starship succeed, the upside could be massive. Now let's be real, the risk. The first, valuation. With this level of hype, there's a high chance of the stock is overpriced from day one. Second, volatility. Many IPOs go up fast and then drop hard. Third, the future is still uncertain. A big part of the company value depends on the project that are not fully proven yet. So this is definitely not a safe investment. So what did I do? I opened a buy order for one share, not because I'm 1% confident, but because I want exposure. For me, this is a small, high-risk position, more like a test and way to part of the story. I'm not going all in. If you don't have an account on trading and want to try it, you can use my referral link. Sometimes there's a promotion where you can get a free stock worth up to €100, but it's not always active. You need to check it's available in your country. And now I'm really curious about your opinion. Are you buying SpaceX, waiting for a dip, or staying always completely? Let me know in the comments and explain why. If you want to follow my journey from zero to millionaire, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.